Welcome to CVEs Cypher. This is a lab designed to forge some seriously elite cybersecurity skills. So let's break it down.
First thing you need to know, this is not your typical capture the flag game. It's a full-blown, real-world simulation.
It's designed to throw the exact same challenges at you that security pros face every single day.
Here, you're going to navigate the entire attack lifecycle. It really pushes your hands-on skills to the limit.
So what's actually inside this digital arena? Let's take a look at the environment. The moment you start a challenge, the lab spins up a totally standalone environment, just for you.
This private setup has three core parts: a target app, a dedicated host, and its own isolated network.
You get a dedicated IP address. This means you have a clean, interference-free zone for your work.
So how should you approach this? You've got to think like a real attacker, starting with zero knowledge. The handbook actually gives you a 5-step methodology to follow, from initial recon to your final report.
And here's what that process looks like in action. It maps out how everything connects step by step.
Now, for tools, you'll need to be handy with the usual suspects for scanning, proxying, and exploitation.
The lab even gives you a few different ways to catch reverse shells, a super critical post-exploitation technique. All right, let's talk about the fun stuff, the challenges. You'll be facing some famous CVEs here. We're talking major players like Log4Shell and Dirty Pipe. Plus, the list is always getting updated.
The bottom line is, you need the whole package: research, exploit dev, and post-exploitation skills to win.
And there are features to help you out. There's a library if you get stuck, a leaderboard, and resets.
What's really interesting is the scoring. It's 80% based on your technical execution. That's huge.
And of course, to keep things fair, there are rules. Pretty standard stuff, but definitely read them.
And the reward for all this? You earn these exclusive CVE-specific badges to show off your skills.
So, think you're ready to test your skills? Good luck, because the CVE lab is officially waiting for you.